In this QuickStart user guide, we will show you the basics of an account admin in PagerTree. Before watching this video, it is suggested to read and watch the architecture guide to build a strong foundation for your understanding of PagerTree and how it works. Here's a brief overview of the alert workflow. A third-party software sends PagerTree data. The PagerTree integration accepts the data, transforming it into an alert. Optional routers perform match conditions and perform actions on the alert. The alert is routed to a team. The alert uses the team's on-call schedule and escalation layers to determine who is on call, and then notifies the account user. Optional notification rules can customize how a user is notified. If no notification rules are found, a user's default notification channels will be used. To begin, we will invite a user to join our PagerTree account. Note, account admins are the only ones that can invite and delete users within your PagerTree account. To invite a user, we will go to our PagerTree dashboard. Here, we will navigate to the Users page. On the Users page, we will click the New User button. We will then follow the instructions outlined on the New User form, starting with the user's name, work email, what roles they will have within PagerTree, and what team they will be assigned to. When inviting a user, you are only required to fill out the username and email. Roles and teams can be edited at any time. If successful, you will be directed to a newly created user page, indicating the user has been successfully created or successfully invited. This user will now receive an email with directions on how to log into PagerTree for the first time. Within PagerTree, there are 4 global roles and 2 team roles. The global roles are admin, which allows the user to manage any object except billing. Billing, which allows the user to manage the account's PagerTree subscription. Broadcaster, which allows the user to utilize PagerTree's broadcast feature. And communicator, which allows the user to create stakeholder communications. The team roles are team admin and team member. Team admin allows the user to manage teams, team admins, on-call schedules, and escalation policies. Team members have no special permissions. Next, we will look at setting up integrations within PagerTree. Integrations connect PagerTree to third-party applications and are responsible for transforming third-party webhook data into alerts. To create an integration, we will navigate to the integration page and click New Integration. We will then find the tool we wish to integrate, like Honeybadger, and click the logo. In this new integration form, we will click the Integration Guide documentation link and follow the steps outlined in the integration-specific documentation. If you can't find the tool you're looking for, 2 great generic options are email and webhook integrations. For more generic integrations, visit pagertree.com/docs/integrations-guides/introduction. Now we will take a look at teams. Teams represent actual teams within your organization, logically grouping together account users, schedules, escalation policies, and alerts. Team admins typically manage users, schedules, escalation policies, and team admins. For more on team management and scheduling, see the Team Admin QuickStart guide at pagertree.com/getting-started/team-admins. Users can elect on an individual level what channels they would prefer to receive on-call alerts on. This can be done by navigating to the My Settings page, checking the boxes for the notification channels you want, and then clicking Update. In PagerTree, there are 5 notification channels: push notifications on both Android and iPhone, email, SMS or text, voice, and Slack notifications. PagerTree defaults every user to have push, email, and SMS notifications. PagerTree notifications can bypass any device's Do Not Disturb feature for push, SMS, and voice notifications. More on Do Not Disturb bypass can be found at pagertree.com/docs/notifications. Users can elect to use more advanced features such as notification persistence by navigating to the My Settings page, scrolling down to the Other Settings, selecting the alert urgency that should have persistent notifications, and clicking Update. This is also on a user-by-user basis. Some of the more advanced features of PagerTree are hidden by default. To view these advanced features, you will need to enable Advanced Mode. This can be done by navigating to the My Settings page, scrolling down to the Other Settings section, checking the Advanced Mode checkbox, and clicking Update. There will now be an Advanced drop-down on your PagerTree dashboard. giving you access to routers, notification rules, and much more. With routers, you can perform complex matching and actions on incoming alerts. Routers consist of many router rules that are processed after the integration has transformed the third-party data into an alert, but before the alert has been assigned to a team. Routers can route, suppress, and aggregate alerts based on matching conditions. These include, but are not limited to, regular expression matching, logic matching, and time of day matching. More on routers can be found at pagertree.com/docs/routers. Notification rules are useful for defining custom notification sequences for different types of alerts. These rules are processed after PagerTree has selected the account user to notify, but before the default notification channels are used. For example, if the alert urgency is critical, notify me via voice every minute. If the urgency is low and it's the weekend, suppress the notification. These rules are specific to the user but can be reused by all users within your account. PagerTree offers several providers for single sign-on. We utilize the SAML 2.0 protocol for exchanging authentication between parties. It is important to note with SSO that for security reasons, only account admins can bypass SSO with their default username and password. All other users must sign in utilizing SSO and must be given access through your SSO IDP. User accounts within PagerTree are not provisioned or deprovisioned automatically. They are only provisioned upon first login and must be manually deleted on the user page. You are now ready to begin using PagerTree.